Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a lamb leg roast in the air fryer. I have a semi-boneless lamb leg here. This one is 3.04 pounds. It was $5 per pound, so it was $15.20 for this, which is not a bad price. And this one's from Australia. Now, I don't think I've cooked one of these before, so it'll be the first one I've tried. It'll be definitely the first one I've tried in the air fryer. So we'll get it out of here, see how it looks. Alright. Okay. It's a pretty nice looking piece of meat. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands off. And I'm going to season this on both sides with some kosher salt. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Flip it over and do the other side. And I have an oven meat thermometer here that I'm going to stick right in the center of this. I haven't tried using one of these in the air fryer, so hopefully it will work okay. If it doesn't, I guess we'll find out. You know me, I just try things. Okay, I looked up the cooking temperature, the done cooking temperature of one of these, and it says between 130 and 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think I'll go kind of in the middle of that and try to cook it to about, 145, 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This is an 8-quart air fryer, so that fits nicely in there. You can see my thermometer and the meat there. So that should be easy to keep an eye on the temperature. Now for temperature, I think I'm going to try cooking this at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. See how that goes. Bring the temperature up kind of slowly, and then I might crank the heat up at the end and brown it up kind of like a reverse sear if it needs it. We'll just kind of see. An hour looks like the longest time I can set it for, so I'll just get it going there. I'm going to set the timer on my phone, and I may have to, in case I need to cook it longer, then I can let you guys know how long everything took. It's been an hour and 15 minutes, so I'm going to see what the temperature is here on this thermometer, if I can see it. Okay, it's 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat up now. Give it a little heat blast at the end. So I'm going to turn this all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you don't have to do that, but I kind of like doing that because that little heat blast kind of browns up the outside of it better, and just, I don't know, it seems like it comes out pretty juicy that way. So let it go for maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes or so like that, and then we'll check it. It's been about 5 minutes since I turned the heat up, so it's been about an hour and 20 minutes total. Let's see where we're at here. Okay, the internal temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the temperature will probably keep climbing on that for a little bit, so I think that's good right there. I'm going to shut it off right there. See how it got nice and crispy on the outside? Looks good. This has been resting for about 20 minutes, and the internal temperature is 150 degrees now. I pulled it out at 140, so it climbed 10 degrees after I pulled it out. Not sure the best way to cut this. It looks like a bone goes through here, so I'll just cut right here and see what this looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Looks very nice and juicy. Looks good to me. I cut up some little pieces. Let's try a bite here. That came out good. It's tender, it's juicy, good flavor. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what Annie thinks. Want to try some lamb, Annie? There you go. Well, she's licking the floor, so I guess that means it's good. Well, that worked out real good. 275 degrees Fahrenheit for the first hour and 15 minutes, then cranked up the heat to 450 for the last 5 minutes. Came out real good that way. Of course, the cooking times will vary a little bit depending on how big your piece of meat is, but Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.